Hace 11 años atrás, yo compré una casa. 11 years ago, today, I bought my first house. I'd just gone through puberty. I just discovered women. It was great. It's been great. Since then, I've done quite a bit of work on the place, most of which was initiated after a drunk driver crashed into the side of the house. This video mostly shows the work that I've done on the exterior, though last year I did do a remodel on the basement apartment, and I didn't make a video, unfortunately. But that's it. That's the only but there is. My butt hurts from sitting here and trying this too many times, so enjoy the video.